My recipe for today is beef pastel. So it's already cooked. And this beef pastel is similar to adobo, chicken adobo, beef adobo, or mutton adobo. So this is already cooked. We have to turn off now the flame. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make beef pastel and I will use this sacrifice kurbani because last June 7 there is an Eid Ul Adha, so I use this sacrifice kurbani from our neighbors. First, before I tried also to make chicken pastel, I'm sure you can use also mutton pastel. And this pastel originates from the Maguindanao peoples in Philippines and is a popular cheap breakfast or either lunch, dinner, or lunch box. And this usually wrapped and packed in banana leaves with matching white rice with shredded beef, mutton, or chicken. So now I'm going to saute now these onions. And this pastel, it's like similar to adobo. It's like you are cooking adobo. But the difference is you have to flake or shredded beef. So this one, I already boiled from here. So I already shredded or flake. And these are the ingredients: slices of onions and then garlics and optional chili powder, salt, and soy sauce and vinegar and what you call this black pepper powder. If you have oyster sauce, then you can use also, but I don't have oyster sauce, so I use only this soya sauce. This is soya sauce in Pakistan. Now we have to put now this garlics, organic garlics, native garlics. Since we don't have banana trees here for leaves, so I use aluminum foil, or you can use direct in plate. Or if you are going to somewhere for picnic or for your kids going to school, you can put this one in banana leaves, because in Philippines so many trees there in plants of banana leaves, so they used to wrap in banana leaves instead of lunch box or typhoon. Now you can put now this flake beef or shredded beef meat. And then we have to mix it. Then we can put now also this salt and chili powder and some black pepper powder. It's enough. Now I'm using this non-stick frying pan because when I received my salary last May 30, I direct after we get my salary in bank in ATM, so direct we go in kitchenware shop. So I bought one set of non-stick kitchenwares. So we have to cover it and cook in slow fire. So let's check and open it. Today is June 16 and today is Monday. Time check Pakistan time is 1:30 p.m. And this for my lunch or dinner. I don't know they like this one or no, but I'm sure they like also this kind of recipe pastel. Now we can add now this vinegar. We add only little, 1 spoon or more than 1 spoon. Because in adobo, there is also vinegar. So tama na yan. And enough vinegar. And this is soy sauce. If you have this oyster sauce, this much better, but I don't have oyster sauce, so I use only soy sauce. And if you have magic sarap or any kind of seasonings, you can use. But I don't have also Ajinomoto or China salt or Bitsin, so only salt and this soy sauce. Now we have to add also some broth or soup, which I use this for boiling this meat. Yan. Mm. Dapat may sabaw-sabaw. Diba yung adobo may konting sabaw? If you like dry also, so no need to put soup or gravy. So we have to mix again. And then we have to cover again and cook for 5 minutes or 10 minutes because this meat is already boiled. Now let's check again. And we taste also if salt is enough. Now we have to taste if salt is enough. Yummy, yummy. And yesterday night, I cook also rice in my non-stick wok with cover. So no need to make hot this one because this is already hot. So just I put this rice in plate and put this one in up in this rice. So I can eat now my lunch because it's already going to 2 p.m. and now also I'm hungry. So I think this gravy is enough. Not dry. I don't like also dry because adobo is there is little bit also gravy or sauce. So I think this is enough. Mm. My beef pastel. Now we can put now this in plate or in aluminum foil. Or if you have banana leaves, then it's more tasty if you put in banana leaves rice with this pastel, beef pastel. Now we have to put up in this rice. Yummy, yummy. And then you have to put also some here if not enough. And then we have to put also there in aluminum foil. And then we have to wrap it. Try lang. Oh, diba? Oh, yan, wrap natin. Oh. Pero mamaya ko na ito kainin mamayang gabi. Because this is my lunch. Ayan. Oh. Let its lunch everyone. Beef pastel with rice and with Coke. There is also wrapped in aluminum foil. So let's eat everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yummy, yummy. Sarap. Mm. Done my lunch. Alhamdulillah ilazi atama wa sakana wa jalna minal muslimin. Very clean my plate. And I have some also and for my dinner until tomorrow lunch. And I have also here in aluminum foil. And I cook also for them this krilli or bitter gourd with potatoes. And I put also some flake or shredded beef. So our lunch is ready and dinner also and this one until tomorrow lunch. And of course my beef pastel. So no need to cook for me dinner because 1:30 p.m. I already finished cooking.